Manipur Lainga ki Water Resource Department ki Junior Engineer Grade 1 Civil amasung PhD ki Section Officer ki thabak laubada Person with Disability singi fangfam thokpa right matpire haina Person with Disability Candidate Paunam Suni Balana Penda Bafungdorakli Manipur Press Club ta Paumi Shinga Unabama da Imphal West ki Lilong Chajing Karam Mayay Laikai Suni Balana Fongdorakpagi matung inna Lisingani Kunga Humdoigi April Taragama Panda Water Resource Department ki Junior Engineer Grade 1 Civil ki post yang kay amasung Junior Engineer Grade 2 Civil ki post taret contract basis talaw na ba notification thokpada Junior Engineer Grade 1 Civil ki post anidi Person with Disability ki reserve oike Masigi matung inna Suni Balana reservation post asida apply tawbagaloinana written test ta mahak mai pakpadagi job suitability practical test mai pak na pangthokhi hairi Adubu thabak haidorakpa matamdadi mahak yaurakpagi mahutta written test fauba pass tawkhidaba atopa person with disability candidate ama oina khalakpada nattana person with disability singi reservation post masing anishuna thabak haidokpada khalakhide haina pendaba fongdorakhe Loina na listing ani kunga humdoi ki December kunga mathoida Public Health and Engineering Department PhD ki Section Officer Grade 1 amasong Grade 2 ki post khara launaba department asina thokkiba notification dasu Section Officer Grade 1 ki post ahumdi Person with Disability singi reserve post oike Hairiba reservation post asidasu mahang apply tawbada reservation post ahumak thabak haidorakpada yaurakide maram asina hiram asida lainga ki mari leinaba higher authority na mityang changbiduna person with disability ki fangfam thokpa rights sing mapung fana fanghana bathabak laukhat piyo haina appeal tawrakle Panbayabadi Sunibalagi apokpa amadi apokpisu person with disability oibana makoigi imung asi awaba amadi khudong chadaba fibam amada leidibani
I khalakide me amade differently evan over disability over me amadi return test pass out the nadu the khalaki water resource ki chief engineer na dum ba disability ki rights to entrance to article 14 15 16 21 amasung provision the rights of Person with Disabilities Act 2016 do corruption na paisa na piraga dumana corruption tawgi aduga nupi gi discrimination ju oigi aduju disability oibada